Today I'm going to show you how to log in to Facebook in Google Chrome step by step in a quick and easy way. This is perfect if you're using a computer for the first time, if you've just installed Chrome, or if you simply want a fast refresher on how to access your Facebook account without confusion. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If Chrome is already on your desktop or taskbar, go ahead and click it to launch the browser. Before moving on, make sure you're connected to the internet, because without an active connection, Facebook won't load properly. Once Chrome opens, look at the address bar at the top of the browser. Click inside that bar and type facebook.com, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to Facebook's login page. Now you should see the login boxes on the screen. In the first box, click and enter the email address or mobile phone number that is linked to your Facebook account. Make sure you type it correctly, because even one small mistake can stop you from signing in. After that, move to the password box. Click inside it and carefully type your Facebook password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if your password includes them. Once both fields are filled in, take a quick moment to double check everything. If the email or phone number and the password are correct, click the login button. Facebook will then verify your details and sign you into your account. If your login is successful, you'll be taken to your Facebook feed or homepage, where you can start scrolling, messaging, posting, or checking notifications. If you don't get in on the first try, don't panic. Just recheck your email or phone number, confirm your password, and try again. Also, make sure your caps lock key isn't turned on, since that can change the password as you type it. And that's it. You've now learned how to log into Facebook in Google Chrome. It only takes a few seconds once you know the steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.